He's angry.
What does he do? Yeah.
See, Mama? My cardboard do this. And we take a picture together.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
How cute. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, are you talking to your brother? Are you talking to your brother? Yeah.
Mommy, somebody do this right here.
Uh-huh. My phone case?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, somebody did that.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
She wants to talk to you. Look. Say hi. Hi, sister. Oh.
Mommy, look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, she's so cute.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
My cousin Josh downstairs.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, but I want Josh. Oh, Mommy, come being my sister downstairs.
Okay.